The Escape. The weather was stormy in August. A hawk sat on top of a tall mall. The hawk's feathers blew in the wind. He saw a prawn and quickly launched. The prawn was small, so the hawk snatched it with his claw. The hawk was about to eat the prawn. But he paused. He saw the prawn's head. The prawn looked scared and tried to walk away. The prawn talked to the hawk.
Please do not eat me. Eat some bread instead. It's more healthy.
Can I eat bread with sauce? The hawk squawked.
Yes, of course,
said the prawn. The hawk put the prawn on the lawn. The smart prawn crawled.
You are nice, hawk, but that is your downfall.
The prawn let out a catcall. The prawn's friends hauled big footballs.
We're small, but strong.
The hawk tried to walk away.
It is your fault, hawk.
The small prawns launched the footballs at the hawk and went on a happy jaunt.